Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Gather dried valerian root, a kitchen scale, wide-mouth glass jar, and measuring jar for alcohol. Use dried valerian root at a 1:5 ratio by weight to volume. Use 40% to 60% alcohol, such as 80-proof vodka, as the solvent. For example, prepare 100 grams dried root with 500 ml alcohol for a 1:5 tincture. Sterilize jars and tools with boiling water, let cool, and set up a clean workspace with labels and a permanent marker nearby. Chop or break root into 5 to 10 pieces to increase surface area. Place the measured herb loosely into the jar and pour alcohol until the root is fully submerged with 2 to 3 cm headspace. Seal tightly and label with date and ratio. Store in a dark cabinet at room temperature and macerate for 2 to 6 weeks, shaking the jar vigorously for 30 seconds each day. Check weekly for air pockets and add alcohol if necessary to keep the herb covered. After 2 to 6 weeks, strain through cheesecloth or a nut milk bag, then press the mark to extract remaining liquid. Strain through a fine mesh or coffee filter for clarity and combine the extracts. Bottle in amber dropper bottles, label with date, ratio, and alcohol percent. Store cool and away from light. Shelf life is about 3 to 5 years if kept sealed. Dispose of used mark responsibly or compost. Keep tinctures out of reach of children and clearly marked to avoid accidental ingestion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.